from the beginning. So which involves types of plants. So it comes under category which comes like herbs, shrubs. Do you heard the terms?
Yeah, ma'am, we learned it when we are in like smaller grades.
Yes, and trees. So these are the three kinds the plants are classified. So herbs, what are called as herbs? First we are going to study the basal one. See, which are very small. You can see like spinach, mint, how they are. Can they grow height?
No, ma'am.
Never.
Such kind of plants comes under this category called as herbs. So so first let me discuss about herbs.
Ma'am, we even have creepers, right, ma'am?
Yes. Plants that have soft green
Ma'am, soft stem. Ma'am, soft stem.
Yes, soft green perishable stems are called herbs. Like examples we can discuss mint,
Ma'am, like
coriander,
spinach.
spinach, etc. And we will see about herbs in detail. What are its characteristic properties? Done?
One
Ma'am.
So like mint, coriander, spinach, how many days they can live, students? Can you tell the lifespan?
Like 6 to 7 months.
It is very short, right? They
Yeah,
can
ma'am.
survive for 1 to 2 seasons. That's it. Okay. And if you see, we can easily break the stem, right?
Yeah, the source like
Yeah, the stem is very soft, tender, and we can easily break it. And the stems are very delicate, and the size of the plant is very short. So we will write the characteristics.
Ma'am, can you go to the next? Ma'am, can you go to the last line?
Yeah. I'll show after writing this. Okay. Small herbs are small plants with delicate stems. Next, they are short in size. Excuse me. They are short in size. Next, their stems are green in color. Soft, tender in nature. Okay.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Still, for
No,
everybody.
ma'am, it was breaking for like 2-3 seconds ago, but not now, ma'am.
Okay. Herb's lifespan is very short. they can only survive for 1 or 2 seasons. Like you won't find total year. Done?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
So
One
see the
minute.
first slide. Complete first slide first.
Yeah.
Everybody.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Next.
1 minute.
Everybody done?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. 1 minute.
No, ma'am.
One minute.
Done. Mukesh,
Yes, ma'am.
Harshita, Akshara.
1 second.
Okay. Somia.
Completed, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So next we will study about shrubs. So for shrubs, these are bigger than the herbs. So examples you can consider like rose, jasmine. So these plants are called as.
Ma'am.
Hmm? Yes, Rishita.
Ma'am, it's a medium size plant,
Yeah,
smaller than the trees, like that.
Their stems are after immediately above the soil. You can see many stems coming out.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Like very bushy, like
Yes.
that. It will be that one.
Yes. Plants with
Ma'am.
woody stem.
Ma'am,
Yes.
shrubs have spikes, ma'am.
What?
Does most of the shrubs have spikes, ma'am?
Spines? Not like every plant. Only in few plants you can find.
Okay.
So woody stems with almost branches of equal size arising from stem immediately.
Ma'am, they're medium size plants with bushy and woody stems,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Immediately above the soil are called shrubs. So examples we can write rose, jasmine, etc. Coming to its characteristics.
Ma'am, it's like characteristic.
Like they are, when compared to trees, they are smaller. And they're usually, if you check that length, it is around 3 meters tall. And they're very bushy ones. grow near the ground level. And these kinds of plants, shrubs, they can grow in any kind of soil, any type of soil. And these are seasonal, right?
Yeah, ma'am. They
Like
only come.
jasmine, rose. Some are seasonal. Shrubs are seasonals and grow vigorously in a sunny environment. So without sun,
They can't.
there
grow.
is no growth. Okay. Shrubs are smaller than
Ma'am,
trees.
can I say 2 points?
Yes.
Ma'am, shrubs are hard but not very thick. Shrubs are bigger than herbs but smaller than the trees. Like that it can come.
Yes, already we mentioned the first point.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Okay. Next, they grow in all types of soils.
Can I do it?
Shrubs are seasonal. And grow vigorously in sunny environment.
Completed, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I go to the last line?
Hmm.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm done. Ma'am.
Ma'am, we will go to next phrase.
Yes, so next is trees.
Ma'am, I was in the last one.
Okay, write down.
Done.
So next, coming to trees. Trees are generally big plants. They are tall and stem is hard, woody, which is generally called as trunk. Okay.
Ma'am,
And
actually
the
there are very tall.
trees bears woody branches, leaves, twigs. So everything we can see. Now, my question is, can we call coconut and palm as a trees?
Yeah, ma'am.
Coconut and palm as trees. Like coconut tree or coconut herb or coconut shrub.
Ma'am, I think so we call it as coconut shrub.
Shrub? Have you seen coconut tree?
Yes, ma'am.
How it will be?
Ma'am, it would be so thin, ma'am. Thin and tall.
Then
Then it is a shrub.
I think so it's a shrub, ma'am.
Shrub means what is the height of shrub?
It's very
Like
small.
about 3. They are usually around 3 meters.
Ma'am, actually they're very thin, very tall, ma'am.
Which one?
Coconut and palm trees, ma'am.
Yes.
Like they're not
Are
also
they
shrubs
called as,
or,
can we call coconut and palm as trees?
Yes, ma'am.
Vedant is telling us shrub.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, how, ma'am? They're very tall.
Yes,
They're
they are
very
very
tall.
tall. They are
They have
woody. See
branches
the
and
characteristic
trunk
what
also
we
made of
discussed.
wood.
In case of herbs, they are very short, and the stem is, we can break the stem, right? In case of shrubs, the length is around 3 meters.
ma'am, it can't grow than that.
Yes. Then coming to trees, they are very high, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
They are very tall. So coconut and palm, even though they do not have branches, we can call it as trees. So these are nothing but leaves, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
There are no branches. So even though we can call it as trees. So trees are tall, big plants, and have one hard woody stem. Only one will be there. Like if you consider neem tree, banyan tree, there will be one, only big one hard woody stem will be there.
It will have only one trunk, ma'am.
Yes. That is called as trunk, called a trunk. Okay, next. These trees bear branches, leaves,
What, ma'am?
and twigs at same distance above the ground. Next, coconut and palm are also called trees, though they do not have branches.
Computer.
Done. Varshit Krishna, you are enjoying?
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. So now we will see the characteristics of tree. Trees are, generally trees have single strong woody stem that we can write. Trees have
Trees are tall.
single strong woody stems.
Ma'am, it has a single stem, ma'am, or trunk and
not a-
branches that support the leaves.
What?
Ma'am, actually, I'm saying that it has a single stem, right? It has
Yes.
also like what is that called?
From
It
which
has like
branches
those
arises?
branches that support the leaf, ma'am.
It has single stem which is woody and strong. That is called as trunk, from which lateral branches arises. And these trees will live for long years, isn't it?
Yeah, ma'am. Some trees even live for 650 years.
Yeah, there are many trees which are of more than 100 years old.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so multiple branches are grown above the ground at a certain distance. Okay, trees have ability to grow tall and increase in size in all dimension, isn't it?
Yeah, ma'am.
So what examples comes? Mango tree, neem
Banyan
tree,
tree, ma'am. Banyan tree.
banyan tree, palm, coconut,
Ma'am,
palm, from which palm oil. So which I shared is generally palm trees, which will be similar like the coconut oil.
yeah, ma'am, but they are a bit taller than them.
They are taller.
Like it's bit
Actually, they
taller.
are shorter than coconut.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
palm and cashew are also trees.
What?
Ma'am, not that, ma'am. Papaya and cashew are also trees. Something
Yes.
like those cashews also are trees.
See, which are more than 3 meters are called as trees.
Oh. Ma'am, are the coconut tallest trees, ma'am? Coconuts?
Yes.
Ma'am, now we are going to learn about creepers and climbers.
What?
Creepers and climbers we're gonna learn now after this.
Now we will see detail about the parts of plant. Done? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Mom, should we draw this?
Possible you can, otherwise no. So see here, what are the parts in the ground? You can see root inside. Okay, so the one, this is the primary root and the further branches are called as secondary root. So the primary one,
Ma'am, the roots will call like root system, ma'am.
yes,
And
total.
Will
Which
call the
total system is called as root system. Okay, next. If you see from the roots, a stem is erased. Okay, on that you can find on the stem. So this is the stem.
Ma'am, I have one more thing.
Yes.
Ma'am, the tree one part, ma'am, that one leaf part will tell node and innode, ma'am. Internode. Sorry.
Let me explain.
Okay. ma'am.
Okay. So there is a stem. So on the stem you can find branches, isn't it?
Yeah.
Leaves, branches, and then flowers, fruits. So if you see from a point where a branch or a leaf, anything is arises, that is called as a node. Can you see here?
Mom, like if a branch comes, like
The point
the
at
point.
which something is arising, that is called a node. Even a branch, so the branch wherever it is arising, it is called a node. Okay.
Mom,
Then see here one node is there, here other node, right?
yeah, mom. Mom, then
The
like
distance between two nodes is called as internode. Understood? So node is a point at which a branch arises, and between the two nodes, the space or the length, it is called internode. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Mom, so
Suppose
like
here,
even when the point where the leaves and the branch meet is also a node, mom, or
yes.
only the
Yes, from the main stem, if anything is arising, that is called a node. So see here, this is the node, right?
Yeah, mom.
And to the main stem and to the lateral stem, can you find the 90 degrees angle here?
Yeah, mom.
That is called as bud. Understood? Wherever you find 90 degrees angle, that is called as bud.
Okay, ma'am.
Mom, so you
Okay.
have two
Or
buds.
if you can remember, not bud, it is called as generally axle. So remember as axle.
Mom,
Axle.
what is it? It's spelling, mom.
What?
Mom, axle spelling.
Axle means, I told you, it is a 90-degree angle between the
Ma'am, he is asking the
what?
Ma'am, he is asking the spelling of axle.
AXIL. Actually, it is raining, students, so I can't hear you. Now it is fine. Okay, axle.
Yeah.
So now you know bud. Anything like a small
Mom, before, it's like before a flower comes.
no, bud you can find actually it is like a something like an outgrowth. Okay, if an outgrowth come here in the place of axil, that is called axillary bud. You know what is axil, right? Axil is the 90-degree angle,
90 degrees.
and in that axil a bud is formed. See the bud, in that axil a bud is formed. It is called axillary bud. And if you find bud in the terminal position, that is at the top position, that is called as terminal bud. So at the top, if you find any bud, it is called terminal bud. And if you find bud in the axil, it is called axillary bud.
Mom, what is called as when it is in the top, mom?
So any outgrowth you can consider.
Ma'am,
Okay.
what is the difference between those two, ma'am?
See, let me draw. Suppose this is the main stem. Okay. From this main stem, lateral branches are arising.
Yeah, mom.
Okay. This is other. So where the branches are arising, that point is called what, students?
Axil.
Node.
Not.
It is called node. The point
Node.
where an
Node.
outgrowth is coming, it is called node. Okay.
Node. And
This is
the
a node.
90 degree angle.
This is a node, right?
Yeah,
Yes,
mom.
ma'am.
Then what is axil?
And
Axil
ma'am, the
is this
90
one.
degree angle
This
Ma'am,
is axil.
is a 90 degree
degrees
thing. The
angle.
bud. The bud.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Where the bud comes from.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Can you see an outgrowth here, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, where the outgrowth is at axil position, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is called axillary bud. Okay.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
this is called terminal bud. If that outgrowth is present at the terminal position, that is called terminal bud. It is not a flower. It is just, you can find after the class, you can check your plant in your home. You can find at the top small outgrowths.
Ma'am, I have 3 plants from one is Tulsi and the other 2 are aloe vera. Ma'am, in Tulsi plant, I never saw a bud, ma'am.
Okay. So you can consider any plant like tomato, rose plant. In rose plant, you can
Mom, I
find
got
the
it in
terminal and
rose, ma'am.
axillary bud. In rose plant.
Once I got it in rose, ma'am.
What?
Mom, like I had a rose plant, mom. So I got once. It was like.
So
Ma'am,
it will be like this.
Ma'am, I drew that plant in the picture.
What?
I drew the plant in the picture, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So did you understand what are the parts of a plant?
Yeah,
It involves, so the parts which are present inside the soil is called root system, and above the soil everything comes under shoot system. Okay, roots are classified into primary and secondary roots, and the stem you can find node, internode, next leaves, stem, axil, axillary bud, terminal bud. If flower is there, flower, and conversion of flower, you can find fruits also in the plant, right?
yeah, mom. Mom, is there any quiz today?
Is there?
Mom, is there any quiz today?
Yes.
Okay.
Then time is going right now. 7:52.
Only 8 minutes.
Completed, ma'am.
Check your chat box, students.
Ma'am, it's quiz right, ma'am.
Hmm.
It's asking me to create an account. I'll not attend quiz today.
No, if you have a Google account, you can just click on Google and select your Google account.
You mean Gmail? I don't. Okay.
If you have a Gmail account also, it's possible.
Rishita, you didn't join it. Om, Advaita.
And I am joining now. 1 second.
Somia. Somia joined.
Ma'am, I joined.
Mukesh. Mukesh and Advaita.
Ma'am, Mukesh joined.
Okay, Mukesh joined. Advaita. You're joining or not?
Ma'am, you can start, ma'am. It will make them join also if it started.
You're doing many mistakes. Harshita.
Ma'am, only two, ma'am. It's showing that many. Only two.
Only 10 questions I gave you.
Ma'am, actually, I cannot see what I got mistake. I did not got mistake. I cannot
Yes,
see.
ma'am. It's not showing us, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll change settings from tomorrow.
We can't see, ma'am.
Worksheet was done.
Ma'am, wheat it is a sharp right, ma'am. Wheat plant.
Wheat.
Ma'am, wheat plant it is a sharp right.
Hmm.
But here it is showing that it is herb.
Ma'am, even I know the last question answer, I got it wrong.
For me, ma'am, it is showing
Herb, ma'am, it's showing herb.
Yes, wheat is a herb.
Herb.
See, compare
Mom,
all the
it's a
characters
shrub, mom.
because the stem is soft and delicate. We can break it easily.
Okay, ma'am, stem matters. Okay.
See, wheat is nothing but a grass, right?
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am, grass type of thing only.
grassy thing. Mom, I'm done on Vedam.
Hmm.
Ma'am, for one, if I clicked carbon dioxide instead of oxygen.
Mhm.
Ma'am, by mistakenly one I did wrong, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got fourth and seventh question wrong.
Which part of the plant transfer the water from roots to the leaves?
Stem.
Mom, I wrote stem, but it said wrong to me.
No, it is correct. See, one pressed flower and two buds. What, students? Which one of the following does not have branches? We discussed just now, right? Coconut tree and palm tree, even though they are not having branches, it comes under category of trees. Next, plants take carbon dioxide from air through tiny openings found in the leaves, which are called as stomata.
Yeah, mom.
Next, which of the following is not a climber?
Mom, money plant is not a climber.
I kept passion flower, ma'am. What is the passion flower, ma'am, by the way?
It's a passion fruit.
Money
Mom, money plant is a. It's a creeper.
Okay, ma'am.
Comes under creeper category, it seems.
Okay. Ma'am, can you show what is passion flower also, ma'am?
Ma'am, don't know what is that passion flower.
Yeah, I think money plant is correct. Maybe it was a climber.
Ma'am, but I don't know what is passion flower. I thought it is not.
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
not, so I did that.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, that one.
I saw
Passion
this.
flower.
Mom,
so
I have it
passion-
in front of
Ma'am,
my
the passion
apartment
flower is
now.
a climber, ma'am.
Mama, have this
Yes,
violet
but
color passion
actually, it
fruit.
doesn't look like a climber, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am. Ma'am, but it is climbing on the wall right now, ma'am. Jumbling. It's
yeah, it is
climbing on the
climbing
wall.
there. Yeah, it is
Mama, I have
climbing.
it in my.
Okay. Let's see on this. Next, which of this is not used in the process of photosynthesis?
Ma'am, I accidentally
Oxygen.
clicked oxygen.
Mama,
Is
click
oxygen
carbon
only,
dioxide.
right?
Ma'am,
Oxygen is released into the environment.
yeah, ma'am, it's carbon dioxide, right?
Mama, by mistake.
Not
I clicked the-
used, it is asking.
No, not used is the
Oxygen is not used by the plant.
Someone wrote
Carbon
sunlight.
dioxide is used by the plant and oxygen is released into the environment. It takes carbon dioxide, sunlight, and water, right?
Not this starch, ma'am. I did protein.
So, in which form of the
Yes,
food is stored in the leaves? It is starch. We have done with an experiment as well.
Ma'am, normally it's
Iodine test,
glucose,
right?
right,
In the first chapter.
Ma'am, I kept starch only, ma'am, but normally it is called glucose, right?
Yeah. Starch and glucose comes in the category of carbohydrates, but you have to call it as starch only.
Okay.
this
Wheat
all
is
is
an
wrong.
example of herb.
I scrub
Plants with green and tender stems are called
Herbs.
herbs.
correct.
Which part of the plant supplies water to the leaf?
Stem. Stem.
stem. Mom, they asked this
Why
question, I'll
petals?
think again.
Petals means which are the flower.
Ma'am,
Flower
flower type of
Mom,
leaf, ma'am,
it's
flower
like
leaf.
if you
In
have it
rose,
in like rose,
petals like red color, which
Rose.
are like leaves of flower. Those are petals. Petals won't supply water to the leaf. Next, in which plant does the stem perform the main function of leaf?
cacti. Mom, I wrote it as carrot.
I cactus.
Cactus only. In carrot, actually root performs. Carrot, what we are eating, carrot is
Carrot is a root, mom.
So answer is cactus. Okay.
Yeah, mom.